Hey, what's up everybody? Well, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'm excited to tell you guys we're gonna probably take on a new project. And this one will be just another step forward in our progress. Hopefully we'll learn a lot along the way. There's some things we'll do with this one that we've never had to do on another truck. And I'm excited to show it to you. We'll bring you guys along. We're gonna go look at it right now. And I've already seen it and we really like it, so we're going back a second time, and hopefully we'll be bringing this one home. So stick around, and when we get there, I'm going to get out and show you the truck. There she is. Let's get out and check it out. Well, it never fails. Whenever we decide to go look at a truck, and all the time, every time we find one that we actually like, it's far away. I mean, we're probably an hour and a half from our house, which maybe for some that's not real far, but it's kind of out of the way for us. So anyway, we did find this one. It's out here in, is it Spanish Fork or whatever? And so it's a ways out for us, about an hour and a half. But we're gonna go walk around this truck, show it to you. This is a 1965. It's the step side, which we've never had one of those. And it's got good bones. It's gonna need pretty good amount of work. So, but really solid bones, really good, clean, rust-free. The cab mounts are good, the floors are good. They've had new floor pans put in already. So it's gonna need other things though. We'll show you what we're talking about. Come check it out. All right. Cool old truck. Of course, we'll research the VIN, try and decode it, figure out, you know, kind of how it came from the factory, see what it's going to take if we can get it back to as close to that as possible. But this looks really original. I do know this is the F250. It's missing the original mirrors, as you can see. Had those, and it's got these on it now, which honestly I don't mind those. I think they look okay for what it is. They look kind of period correct. I would like to get the big trailer mirrors on them, but we'll see what happens. Biggest project we're gonna have is this bed. The wood floor in it is gone, so we're gonna have to figure that out. I've researched and found a few kits available. See how that turns out, see what we do with that. Guys added some new tail lights. Tailgate looks good. I don't know if this was an original red truck or not. Of course, we'll figure that out when we research the VIN. Still got the matching spare. I love that. Guys put new tires on it all the way around. Looks really good under here. Interestingly, these cab mounts look pretty darn good. Not bad. I've seen much worse. They're usually completely caved in, if not gone. And again, the floor pans were bad, but they've already replaced them with new ones. In fact, the tag is still on it if you look from underneath the truck, where they've put the new floor pans in. So that's nice to know that they've redone that. Of course, you see it's missing the lower door panel. We can find those. We'll probably get the upper panels for it. It's got new door or armrests there. It's got the original tag down there on the door. It's good. They put new carpet in it. It's green. Probably going to switch that to black. And they did do green and white seat, which is really nice actually. It's just dusty, but it's actually feels new. You can see it's going to need a headliner. The dash pad is gone. It's down to the metal, which I actually don't mind that. I like that look. I know a lot of guys have removed those in the past. And it's missing the gauge bezel, the cluster there. All that's left is the speedometer and the odometer. But you can see this one that has fuel gauge, temp gauge, oil, battery, all in one section there. So this gauge bezel is actually really plain. It's just solid with the one sticking out right in the middle. We'll find one of those and get that put back in. Let's see. Got the heat and temp knobs there. You can see that's kind of a green. And then they've tried to paint in here, but it's really bad paint. So we'll have to sand all that down. I think we'll pull this whole interior out, sand it down, repaint it. So, and it's got the 4-speed manual, and it's got the straight 6, the 300, which I'm excited about. Those 300s are great motors. And they are so simple to work on. All right, so here is under the hood. Straight 6, 300. It's a good solid motor. Got a little crowded, looks like a bunch of dead wasps. Must have had a battle under there. Said he thinks he's leaking a little fuel either from that filter. Looks to me like it's more coming from the fuel pump. I mean, that's where it's wet. See, it's maybe even coming from that connection down there. Gotta love these old trucks, man. Nice and simple. I like it. All right. Get the new little glove box put back in there. See how clear that thing still looks good. I mean, for this old of a truck, things have held up pretty well. I don't know what the history is on it, but it's not all rusted out like a lot of them are. I have to do some cleanup there. But that bed is gone. Yeah, it's just falling out of there. It's crazy. But we'll give it a go. This thing mounted up. That is cool, man. Very cool old truck. Digging it. if it was originally kind of an orange, or if that's just faded red. Well, see what the VIN number says. We're done with it. Hey everybody, we finally got the new truck home. The guy that we bought it from was really cool. He actually delivered it to us today, and it's real nice weather. It's dry, it's pretty blue skies, but it is freezing. And we just got her off the trailer. Well, that's gonna be it for right now. We're excited to get going on this next project. We need to come up with a name for this one. You know, our 67's the Louisville Slugger. So what should we call this one? I'm not sure yet. You'll have to help us out. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy this stuff. Kind of keep you up to date on what we're doing with some of these old trucks. This is gonna be a fun project. This has got some new things in store for us that we haven't had to do before. So we'll learn along the way, and you can learn with us. Or maybe you can even give me pointers, help me learn. So thanks again. We'll see you guys on the next one.